Yes, so schemers we down on the waterfront, the sea calm. Yeah, and the tide rise. The sea calm, schemers, and the tide rise. Over the airport, remember me they showing you the ship, them, the boat them a move. The boat them a move now, them gone. Most of the ship them I used to dock up here, gone. You know what I mean? Schemers enough for outside, I risk it and come outside just to get a footage for sure no how the place look. Your side, that is it. See, very calm at this moment. The tide come up, it rises higher than usual. But that is it.
The breeze is cold. Yeah.
No, sir. Schemers. There's over there in the red coat, yeah. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we're there. I'm going to the hurricane, you know? We're going to show them what I'm going to see it. That is it. We're going to do it. We're going to do it. We're going out there. What are you schemers? Yeah, man, we're going to make you see what I'm going in my place. Is it? Yeah, man, that is it. Schemers. Stop now, move right at all. Jaja. Sick lad. Hurricane. Somebody don't come here in the kitchen.
Oh, slow down.
Who for us slow down?
You want to see the barbell again in the kitchen?
Yeah, man. Me tell right that same fence now go make it. Me tell right that same fence now go make it. Yeah, schemers. Remember Daily take down him zinc them. See? Daily never run a joke. Yeah, Daily take down him zinc them. Ah! Oh, mother, outside. In the weather. What's it? We outside. We're not going. Ah! Schemers. I want to go here, sir. You will please tear down. You will please. Hey, that's all now. Wait him up. What is all this? I want to go. Place a tear down. Any weather. Yes. Any weather.
What was that?
You don't slide, left him. Crook! Yeah, man, I done first weekend. What? I want to buy that stuff. Yeah, man, I hold the chance. Thank you for big mango, man. Be a right mango, what's it? No, man. Secret. I want to go around us. Mango like, mango for days. What's that? In a rain? In a rain? Ah, what are we on the out in the rain? Allah.
Take it there.
Yeah, we outside. I want that. I want to know about mango. Schemers. We're out here.
Beryl bring mango.
Beryl bring mango. Man, I eat mango. Oh no, I do. We are. In the rain. Alive. Parking lot.
Live from Paradise School
Hold on.
with Orky and Beryl. Orky and Beryl. We have to park. We have to find them to park here.
Yeah. What's that? How are you rating? I'll just stand around here. Virgin, Claudine, son-in-law, grown man. It feel like it's a blue and more. Yo, the breeze feel like it's a blue and more. Yo, the breeze feel like it's a blue and more around us, so I have to stand up strong for my foot.
The way them are grown, son.
I live together.
Oh!
Long time.
Just weird.
Without you when I just Chester and Johnny can alone around the sun. See, them come out.
You don't look serious, brother.